Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant uh, error code 29. It's easy. All you have to do first, click here, and then after that type here control panel, and after that go on network and sharing. If you can't find it, just make it small icons and click on it, and then first option here, this one, access type internet or Wi-Fi, click on it, and then properties. Now protocol internet version 4 and click properties. Now once you're here, we'll find it like that. Then select second one and type here 8888 and then 8844 and click OK, and that's it. Now just run Valorant as administrator and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.